Hey YouTube, this is the Magical Monkey Wizard, and I am here with my cousin Alexis Rugrats. You probably have seen her channel before, but this is my first time making a video, so if I'm doing horrible, sorry people. But
You're doing great.
we are playing Flood Escape today, and seriously, we're supposed to do the sword. Well,
I have a sword for some reason. Guess I bought like a game pass.
Well, let's hurry up and go to the one that is ready. Let's go to the medium level.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Alright. Oh gosh.
Crap. Ah!
Oh no. I almost got.
Really close. Yahoo!
Oh gosh.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Ah! I was the first one to make it. That's how a gamer does it. Or as they say,
Okay.
ooh, ah! What are we supposed to? Oh yeah, that's right. We gotta hit the buttons. Ah! This guy looks like a noob, and his name is Freshman. Freshman. If you're looking at this video, I'm sorry, but you do look like a noob.
No. Okay.
Watch your natural host say that he is a real noob. Ah, my parts! My monkey parts! They split. The split ends. The split ends.
You can go in a game without me after.
But there's barely anyone finished, so how do I... I'm just gonna see if I can spectate you again. Is it
Yeah, you can spectate me.
I don't know how. Forgot.
Okay. Oh, you gotta go on the right, on the right side of the screen. It should say like, wait. You should have like some binoculars. Oh gosh, I just realized where I'm supposed to go. Okay.
I'm in the medium place. So.
Yeah, I'm in the medium.
No, I mean I just went in there, and there's a lot of people here, so we're about to go down, but we're not going to, so. Okay, custom, blocks, particles.
No.
Oh man, I can't get the stinking dash.
Yeah. Oh gosh, I gotta do a bonus round.
Good for you. What the crap?
Alright, finish this bonus round. Go, 7 seconds, 6. Okay.
We're going down for real. Escape this ticket faculty. Yes. Yeah.
Alright, how many games do you want to do?
Oh wait, they already did that. I don't know. Oh, the water slide. Oh crap! I died. Oh. I'm just gonna train. Right? No, crap. I'm not training.
No training for you.
Excuse me, woman.
Alright, there's
I can't freaking buy anything. Well, I mean, easy. No. Magical Monkey Wizard needs to show that he is really, really worthy.
Okay.
So I'm going to hard.
Going to.
If I couldn't make it in medium, that means I could make it in hard. I'm just kidding. That means I can't. But I'm pretty sure my monkey Dexter right on my shoulder will help me. Yeah, Dexter? Yeah, Dexter? Oh, Was that Dexter? Okay, let's do this. Get my monkey hat, get my monkey shirt. Everybody loves me, loves me, loves me, loves me. I'm not doing anything, I'm just singing probably horrible. Ow.
Intermission.
Into the mission. Ooh, ooh, the mission. Oh, I'm not gonna make it.
Alright, going down.
It's going down for the air. No, no, I don't want to go. No,
No.
stupid
You're
noob.
going up the
Oh, this is hard.
Oh, I hate this one.
Screw this.
I have played this game a lot. I don't think you have.
Ah!
Just letting your viewer know.
Watch your host and fail at these games. Yes.
Careful. Oh my gosh, I'm really surprised with it. Oh, this one's hard. I remember I died on this one.
Crap, you're doing so fast. Crap, where are we supposed to sting and go? Okay, what the crap are we doing right now?
Right, go over there. Right, now there's a button down there. I know. I'm gonna try to push it up. No.
You sacrificed my life.
I pushed it. Go.
Why, thank
Go.
you, Miss Rugrats.
No problem.
Ah!
Oh gosh, this one's kind of hard.
Oh,
No.
crap!
Oh man.
Okay, guys. So I think this is enough. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back with you on the second episode. Bye.
Bye.